So how do you qualify to open a solo 401k? Well, good news is it's very simple. There's two questions to ask yourself. Number one, do you have a business? Yes or no? If yes, move to number two. Question number two, how many people are involved in the business, or how many employees do you have? So in other words, there's a reason why it's called solo 401k, right? Of course, if it's only yourself, you can open a solo 401k if it's only you involved in the business. But if your spouse is involved in the business, they can also open a solo 401k for themselves as well. So you can have more than one possibly. And you know what? It's a little known fact, but if there are other partners, it's possible that they can open up a solo 401k as well. It is possible. But you may want to ask your tax advisor before you do so. So back to question number one. All right. First one was, do you have a business? Okay. If you don't have a business now, it's easy to get one, right? It's the easiest time in the history of the world to open a business. You can simply buy stuff from a garage sale and flip it on Amazon. You could do real estate wholesaling. There's a whole host of things you can do. Whatever you like to do and enjoy to do, you can make a business out of it and do it online and do it very conveniently and efficiently from your home. That's probably the easiest thing to do. So at a minimum, you must have a sole proprietorship. Now, of course, you can have an LLC, an S Corp, a C Corp, a partnership, or what have you. You don't have to get that fancy. It can be just you in your house, and you can come up with some kind of fictitious name that you name your business. And so once you do that and you start operating, you can open a solo 401k. Now, the thing you need to know is, so for instance, it is mid-2019 right now. You start your business now. Well, all right, so before April 15th in 2020, you must file a Schedule C for the business that you started in 2019. That legitimizes your activity. Okay, so yes, you have to have that business activity, name the business, whatever you want. And then to legitimize that activity, you must file at a minimum the Schedule C. Now, back again, you can, of course, have an LLC, an S Corp, a partnership, a C Corp, or whatever you want. But at a minimum, you need a sole prop. And to have a sole prop, you need to file that Schedule C. Okay? So that's very easy. That gets you qualified. Okay? So again, it can be just you, but you can also include your wife or husband, and they can have their own solo 401k if they're involved in the business. Okay? Hope that helps. Hope that clarifies, but it's very simple to do. All right? Thanks. Take care.